Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm an executive assistant here at GGFL. I work closely with our clients to gather the documents and information we need to do our reports. At GGFL, protecting information is a top priority. That's why we use ShareFile, our secure file sharing platform. ShareFile allows us to safely send and receive documents. Today, I'll walk you through how to use ShareFile. Let's get started. To begin, you'll receive an email invitation from mail@sf-notifications.com. Click Activate Account at the bottom of the email. From there, confirm your details and create a password to complete your account setup. There are several easy ways to access your ShareFile portal. You can go directly to ggfl.sharefile.com. Click the Login and Payments link on our website. Use the Upload Files link in our email signatures, or click the upload link included in a document request email from our team. Once you're on the login page, enter your email address and click Continue. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking Forgot Password. Enter your password and select Sign In. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage dashboard. Across the top, you'll see navigation tabs for Home, this is your main page. Folders, this is where you can access all your folders. Inbox, this is where you'll send and receive any secure email communications. Tax returns, which is coming soon. Under Home, you'll find all projects with two tabs. Open Tasks, which shows documents requests waiting for action. Completed Tasks, which shows requests you've already submitted. On the right side, you'll also see your recent files and any folders you've marked as favorites. If you're uploading documents on your own, start by clicking the Folders tab. Choose the folder where you want to upload your files. Click the plus icon and select Upload. From here, you can drag and drop files from your computer or browse to select them manually. Once your files appear on screen, click Upload. When the uploads are complete, make sure the files are visible in your folder. When our team requests documents from you, you'll receive an email from mail@sf-notifications.com. Click View Document Request in the email. This will bring you to your open tasks. From here, select the task you're working on, then click Add Files or drag and drop your documents directly into the task. If a task doesn't apply to you, open the item and select Submit without attachments. You can also leave comments or questions for our team. Once your files are uploaded, click Submit for review. When we share documents with you, such as tax returns, financial statements, or engagement letters, you'll receive an email notification. You can also access these documents anytime by logging into your portal and navigating to your folders. To download a file, click on it and select Download. You can preview documents before downloading, or select multiple files at once and download them together. Please note that documents uploaded to ShareFile expire after 120 days, so be sure to always download and save copies for your records. ShareFile is designed to make working with GGFL simple and secure. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. You can reach us at portals@ggfl.ca or 613-728-5831. We look forward to working with you.